Saw a clip with Douglas Murray the other day talking about how he was once in Egypt and some friends of his were celebrating, some Egyptian friends were celebrating Egypt's victory over Israel. And he had to inform them that there was no victory over Israel. What were they talking about? Israel had won over Egypt in the Yom Kippur War. That same thing is happening with Rippaverse fans, and it's crazy. There are actually Rippaverse fans out there who think that Rippaverse never made a settlement with Good Shepherd Ministries over the ISOM trademark. What? For those of you who don't know the story, there is an International School of Ministry, or ISOM, that took Eric July to court over the ISOM trademark, saying there was confusion. And the two parties reached an out-of-court settlement. Now, some people are coming back and saying, no, that was an agreement. That was a resolution, but it was not a settlement. They're also arguing that there are no binding conditions on either party's side. That's crazy. Because for one thing, Eric July himself referred to the agreement as a settlement.
We were already in settlement discussions, and even towards the end, I said this.
Even to this day, we are happy to settle this on reasonable terms.
Settlement does not mean lose, give up money and rights, or admission of fault. Any agreement made between the parties during a lawsuit is technically a settlement. This is how the vast majority of these end. To settle just means that there's an agreed upon resolution.
So, yeah, there was a settlement. And even though it's an out-of-court settlement, it is registered with the court because that's the only way it can be legally binding. So there is a document at a court somewhere that says, here is what Rippaverse must do, and here's what Good Shepherd Ministries must do in order to satisfy the terms of the settlement. The only thing that happened out of court was the negotiations. It wasn't a court that decided what each party would have to do. Will we ever know all the requirements? Probably not, but we do know one. It's the requirement that Rippaverse put this teensy tiny line of text on all of their books containing ISOM from now on that says the character ISOM is not affiliated with Good Shepherd Ministries International or the International School of Ministry. That one piece of evidence is all the proof you need that a settlement exists, because that statement would never appear were it not for the existence of the settlement. And here's why. Every time that statement appears, it's free advertising for Good Shepherd Ministries and the International School of Ministry. And Eric doesn't give away anything for free. So all of you nuts out there thinking that there was no settlement between Rippaverse and Good Shepherd Ministries, I mean, what in the hell is wrong with you? Do you really think that Eric July just can't lose at all, ever? Quit playing around like you know anything and just go back and flip through your Bloodruth botched double-page creative choice spread. God.